Yeah, first and last. That piece of stretch there.
No, drive fans.
Well, the man do want to look a repair up at the top of it. But me I tell you.
Just have to come across the bridge, so then cut the road across, and you have to go down and then go around back.
Yeah. But I don't know what them said about make this still. You know, really hard up. But
them want to them make this up.
You know, see the connection to weird. You know, see a drain. Like the rest of drain them out there. You know, see a man that make a drain, but you know, no. You know, so no inlet none out there.
Look there now, the China would have like there now.
Okay. Morning, my general, morning. I have a camera around here. I go and listen to the sound of the road and all them things there. So. Them not done a piece of road I driver. I'm glad they open it up back still, you know.
Yeah man, them take too long to open this one.
Glad they open it still. Since it open, somebody tell me say one car leak something down here, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah. Asphalt, don't look bad. Just want to look at cool something more and asphalt and gone. The sidewalk not there, but you have the train where you can sit there where you cut where you can walk on. You must have a man who drive out of that and to God say.
The whole road up.
Because you know, yesterday when me I drive, you know, one taxi, me I look to see the man turn around there, so you know. And when me see the man go straight, me say, right, but we just remember to them walk back the straight road. Right, are you alright?
Yeah man,
Look rain good for the dust driver.
Man, I tell you.
And the bus the boy.
The dust terrible.
You know say a water truck passed me when me down at Albion. And he go down at the bridge, cause me down there walk. And buy it for turn. Buy it for turn. And me go so and look. The next side of the road dry up. That's how yes. Because here me know me there son it pass me, maybe go down at the bridge just go turn. And it's buy me spin over now on the next side of the road with my camera, the way down the hot. The next side of the road dry up. That me I said to myself, water truck really and truly it do a good job, you know, but it have like more half thin. And maybe it have the one that them have down there, it can spray like the big one up there.
I think what I mean problem is the same.
Yeah.
They take too long to wait in the morning. They said they wait early.
Yeah.
It control the dust a little way first, and then they come back.
Yeah.
They move like every 2 hours.
Okay.
They need to wet the road, man.
Oh, you come to the sun at?
Yeah, man. You see, because when they're in the early morning.
Suck up the water.
In the early morning, if you know in the early morning, you know, the dust get up, you know.
Yeah.
And then the little water they can sprinkle on it and a joke story.
For real. I'm surprised how the dust. More people not see. I want people to sit out on the dust still, you know. A lot of people. 10 times better now.
10 times better. 10 times better.
Yeah, I see that, man. Earlier, so you used to have a whole heap of issues.
Remember people used to have creep on my way, you know?
Creep on the road.
Yeah man, wrap the car through them some big old wall, you know?
Yeah. Hopefully next year they can finish it up. I hope them take it up serious and about that politics it out, you know. Just make up their mind and done. The stone that them put on it now, we say our river stone them there. A river ship with them. And then
Them here?
yeah.
Gravel.
Out of gravel. Okay. Loose gravel.
Inside here?
See that again?
Yeah, yeah.
What was the here?
Yeah, man, bless up yourself, man.
Morning, sir, morning.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Not too bad.
Alright, I always watch your channel.
Oh, yeah, that's what my channel. Blessings, man. Pleased to meet you. What is your name?
Alright. I'm on YouTube too now. I'm on TikTok Nation.
Yeah, the man.
Riley, on TikTok bar.
Yeah. Okay, so your name Brother Riley?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, that's the pan
TikTok, Jerome channel.
Okay,
Thursday
okay.
night time.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Big up Brother Riley, man. Pleased to meet you, man.
I'm host them too.
Are you doing what?
Host them.
Are you host them something?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, pleased to meet another YouTuber, you know? You are a YouTuber. Come here,
I'm a something, you know, I'm a WhatsApp radio station. This way.
Hold on. WhatsApp radio station?
This way. We just did that program this morning. I just finished it.
So, is a church group you have?
Yeah, but it's a WhatsApp radio station. It's a radio station.
So,
but they built by WhatsApp.
we never know, so WhatsApp you could have designed a radio station through WhatsApp.
Yeah. Listen to me, hear me there.
Yeah. So, hold on.
Oh, you know, me could have hook you onto it, you know, and you just give me some report.
Yeah.
Give me a number. Let me get the number. I'll add it to it.
Yeah.
I can get some report for you on the street and so wherever you are.
Yeah.
Just get some report for you. You're calling live.
Yeah.
I'm calling you live.
Oh, so all that go on upon it?
Yes, man.
I never know them technology. Yeah. I never know them technology there around, man.
Alright, let me show you. I was working at this radio station and I
So what that there? Yeah.
let me show you.
Yeah.
I was working with Ran FM.
Yeah.
And then be when I was like, yes, I'm the TV station. See it, show you that I'm a certified radio host. See it, Ran FM.
Okay, you're a certified radio host.
Yeah.
Okay.
What you coming on, sir?
Okay.
You see him?
Yeah, I see it, man. I never know them things there.
Hold on. Boy. Yeah, man. So, you know, you don't have to worry yourself if you're going to have a problem with police or when we take report from you and
Yeah. But me not nothing like incriminated with a girl.
Yeah.
Anything me get above the board.
Alright. Get up and write the number. Write the number. I'm going to send us some clips as well and some videos of your thing that you're doing. Oh, you're live now?
Yeah, me live, man.
Oh, you're
but
live.
you're not incriminated, so you're not no problem. You know, no problem. And then more people will.
All right, morning listeners, morning.
Give me a paper, man.
As we're live on the Super T, Big T,
Big Super.
Channel. My name is Brother Riley. Saying morning.
Yeah.
We're in the vicinity of Dumfries in St. Thomas.
Yeah.
As you know, we're live on, you know, the what you call that now? YouTube. Yeah, we're doing a YouTube thing.
Yeah.
Brother Riley and Big Super.
Cut the cut.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. You can't listen to the gentleman. Might be don't want you know this thing here.
Oh, you don't want me anything?
No, not you.
Eh?
The gentleman might be don't want to be seen in this thing here.
Oh, him.
And we can't allow.
No, we're not sure.
No, man.
Not showing him.
No, it's not sure. It's
No,
not
man.
Okay, cool.
On the road,
It's
the other
not-
one.
Okay, cool.
All right, listen.
I'll do some price.
We have a little error there.
Yeah.
The driver was saying that a passenger in the car here don't want to,
That's alright, that's
to be
alright.
seen in the
Yeah.
thing. But, you know, nevertheless, he's not in. We're seen on the road. We're in the vicinity of Dumfries,
Yeah.
heading on to Black Door.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed. So, Big Super and Brother Riley live on, you know, the YouTube thing here, doing
Yeah.
his thing. So,
Yeah.
Big Super, what going on, man?
Boy, the Christmas come and gone.
Yes.
We enjoy the fireworks and all these things.
Okay.
But the road still there, same way.
Yes, man, the road's still there. We see
Yeah,
that
the road
we
still
see
there,
that the
once
road is
that
not
out.
complete as
Yeah.
how we hear that we're gonna get to our road for the Christmas, or we're gonna get to our road for the New Year.
Yeah.
You see, but you know, nevertheless, they are doing what they're doing.
Okay.
They're doing what they're doing.
Yeah.
To, you know, to make it possible for us to reach Morant Bay quickly.
Yeah.
Normally, we'd have taken 45 minutes or more to reach Morant Bay, an hour. Well, it's taking us about half an hour now or less
Yeah.
to reach Morant Bay. So, Big Super family, always share, like, subscribe, and love the channel. Always send in your views.
So tell me something. Tell me about your WhatsApp group.
All right, my WhatsApp radio station listeners, as you're
Because at
listening.
the first, me ever hear about this one.
It's the,
WhatsApp radio
it's the
station.
first to listen to hearing about this.
Yeah.
All right, what did I do? I go into a group thing and I call my thing God FM.
God FM.
Yes, so it is a radio station thing. I have commercial, I have news,
What?
and all of that.
That's why the WhatsApp thing I go on.
So, yeah, so listen, viewers, if you want to be a part of the God FM, you can link Big Super.
No, wait.
And, alright.
It's a phone number that I have to go through.
Yes, you have to
Okay.
send me your number, listener. Just send me your number.
So what me I go do? Me I go put your number.
Yes.
Your link in the description.
Yes.
So when and make them go straight to you and then you
Yes.
add them.
Yes, let them come straight to me.
Or if you want, tell them your number right now. You can tell
Alright, the
them.
number, listener. Let me find the number and tell you that you can able to reach me.
Yeah, God
And if you want to
FM.
be a part of the God FM,
So how much followers you have on it?
I have 54 so far.
Wow.
All right, the number, listeners, to call me or to reach me at the God FM station is 876 235 4762. Just reach me at that. Call me on that number there. Big Super.
Yeah.
Tell them the number again.
We can't remember it, but
Alright,
it
check the
in
number.
the phone. And when
Yes.
you edit the video, I'm never put it on the screen.
So it's 876
Yeah.
235 4762. Reach me at that number. That number, if you want to be a part of the God FM,
Yeah.
Big Super is gonna be a part of the God FM as well.
Yeah.
Later on, I'm gonna join in with him live
Yeah.
in studio.
I like where you go on
Today,
it, man. So
on the
when you
Gadagat
preach,
FM.
come soon terminate. When you preach about here, I want to talk
Alright,
about.
Alright, I do programs.
Oh, you do
I do programs. And on Monday, we have the Monday praise and worship. Tuesday testimony.
Yeah.
Wednesday, Warrior Wednesday. Thursday, which is today, take me back Thursday, where I take you back way back in gospel songs.
Yeah.
And we also have songs in giveaway and giveaway in sound, where I choose your name and give you a song selected by the God FM.
Yeah.
And on Saturday we have the Gospel Train, the Youth Link Up, and the Roll Call.
Right.
And on Sunday we have the Sunday Showcase and the Sunday Glory. And all those programs begins with Brother Riley, starts with me, Brother Riley.
Yeah. All right.
Man. So,
yeah, Brother Riley.
YouTube family,
man.
blessings to you, man.
All right. We are terminate with you,
Yeah, blessings. So when we come out the car, you're gonna see who the person is.
Okay, so you want them to see you together?
Yeah, man, I want them to say who is Brother Riley.
All right, no problem, Brother Riley. Yeah, man,
So
nice,
I just finished a program, dear listeners.
Yeah.
They take my first, so I'm going to the second edition of that program later on. So what Big Super?
Yeah, Big Super.
I can't remember your name, you know.
That's alright, man, that's alright. You can just call me Super.
Alright, Mr. Super, alright. So Morant Day family, we're live here in Morant Day, St. Thomas on the Big Super channel.
Yeah.
Live on the YouTube channel right here on the nation #1 YouTube channel.
Big up yourself,
Big
God.
Super.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Brother Riley.
Alright, sir, blessings.
Yeah, man.
So we're coming out now, listener. Where you going, sir? Down that way? You're walking down that way?
No, when in park.
Alright, when in park, you're just...
Yeah.
Morning, listeners. Morning. We're coming to you live on the Big Super Morant Day St. Thomas. My name is Brother Riley, and as I was telling you before, you can reach us on the God FM. The number is 876-235-4762. Call me up, reach me. Later on, we're gonna live on the Big Super. Big Super is gonna be live on the God FM. He's gonna call me, and we have a long chit chat. He's gonna send us even some videos of his reported on the road, on the streets of Morant Day, St. Thomas, Leicester. And I even see he have a thing there where he was at Lost River looking for Mr. Fuller. Mr. Fuller, call him one different name.
Yeah. Oh, you also you're watching him over Peachy River.
Yeah, man. No.
Okay, North River.
Yes, North River,
Okay.
where you asking for Mr. Fuller, but you call a different name there.
Yeah,
Hear
at
me
first.
now? Hear me now? I want to super and head no good.
No, my head no good at time. Sometimes when you walk,
yes,
the longevity kind of get to you.
Yes. So listeners, we are in the vicinity of Morant Bay. We are going.
Yeah, we're at the bus park. We're at the bus
in
park.
the taxi park.
Yeah.
Where you can get taxi to go to License, Retreat, Port Morant, and wherever.
Yeah.
We're having a wonderful morning. It's a Thursday morning right here on the Big Super. Bless yourself.
Yeah.
Join me live on the God FM today with Big Super.
Yeah.
Big Super and the God FM.
All right, my brethren.
God bless you, sir. One love, one peace. And don't forget, viewers, share, and subscribe.
All right.
And also
watch out the ads then.
Watch out the ads and also commentate in the comment list.
Yeah.
Tell me what you like about Brother Riley and what you like about Big Super. Have yourself a wonderful one. Blessed up. God bless you. Big Super. Have yourself a wonderful one. Later until then.
All right, Brother Riley.
I'm out.
All right.